Hi, my name is Mieke from Beats and Basics and thank you for watching this jewelry tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. All the materials can be bought on our website and you can make them in all different colors and different sizes. You can switch out the charms for tassels, for shells, for whatever you like. Just take a look at www.beatsandbasics.com. Here are the used materials. You will need 4mm gemstone beads, a bead mat, 4mm jump rings, those are stainless steel, spacer beads, flat nose plier, 4mm acrylic beads, faceted beads, and those are 4 by 6mm, two different sizes of hoops. This one is 25mm and this one is 44 by 40mm. Then you will need a stud earring. And in our web shop we have a lot more, such as these and the smaller ones. So you can choose whatever you like. And lastly you will need a charm for the middle of your earring. We start with the smallest hoop. You can open it and hold it open with your fingers. And for this hoop we will use the gemstones and the spacer beads. We start by adding 3 gemstone beads. And 1 spacer bead. Then we add 2 more gemstone beads and 1 spacer bead. And we repeat this one more time. So 2 gemstone beads and 1 spacer bead. And then we're halfway. So repeat this pattern again, but the other way around. So start by 2 times 2 gemstone beads and finish with 3 gemstone beads. As you can see, you have a little bit of the hoop left. So this is what we're going to put back into the hoop. And now your first hoop is done. For the second hoop we actually repeat this process. So you open the ring, hold it open with your fingers, and for this hoop we use the acrylic beads and the faceted beads. We start by adding 10 acrylic beads. When you finish with 10 acrylic beads, you add 8 faceted beads. And we finish by adding 10 more acrylic beads. Here we have a little bit of the hoop left as well, so we're also going to put that back. And now your second hoop is also finished. Now we're going to add the small hoop to the big hoop. And we're doing that by using a 4mm jump ring. We're also going to need the flat nose pliers. You use them to open the jump ring. And now we're going through the top part of the small hoop. We grab the bigger hoop and we go through the bottom part of this bigger hoop. Now we're gonna grab the stud earring and make sure that the front is facing the right way. Put your jump ring through the eye of the stud. And now we're gonna try to go through the top part of the big hoop. When you did, you will see that both openings of the jump ring are at the front right now. And now you can close the jump ring. And your earring should look something like this. Lastly, we're going to add the charm. We use another jump ring, open it, put your charm through, and we're going to attach it to the bottom of the smaller ring. Close the jump ring. And now your earring is finished. You can make this earring in a lot of different colors. We have more colors of the acrylic and the faceted beads, but also different kinds of gemstone beads. You can also choose for a different charm, just make sure that it's small enough to fit inside of this small hoop. And as mentioned before, you can also use different kinds of stud earrings. Just make sure that they have an eye at the bottom to attach the jump ring to. I hope you liked this tutorial and that you're going to make the earrings yourself. If you did, feel free to share your creation on Instagram using our hashtag #BeadsandBasics. All the materials can be bought on our website www.beadsandbasics.com, and if you would like to see more tutorial videos, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!